Hello guys and welcome to Hakmen Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to recognize a certain stock that is a great buy. Now for this purpose you'll have to it can sometimes be difficult but for this purpose, in order to recognize a certain stock that is a great deal or a good buy at the time, so what you will do, you'll have to use indicators as well, your tools or different strategies for that in order to recognize that strategy. So like I said, you can't recognize certain stock that this is a great buy, but you'll have to do your research. You will have to do your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis. You'll have to do your risk management, take profit, each and every stuff of that to recognize that a certain stock is a great buy. Now let's start with the video so that I can show you how it can be done. Now as you can see at this area, or maybe this one, this stock formed its resistance level at this point. Now let's get back to history so that I can show you clearly what I mean right here. Let's take this area for example. Just as an example, let's take this area. This is our resistance level. So we'll mark that red, height and now as you can see, this is our resistance level, our resistance area. Stock is trading below that, and as it broke, it confirms its position and then tries to move upward. But you can see that this is not that much of a big deal, because this is can also be known as a fake false breakout or something like that. False breakout. You can see that after this, it is trading above, and as you can see that when it start to trade, and you can see that as it confirms its positions here or here, that is when you'll have to invest in the stock market, invest in that stock. So you can see the stock is moving upward, again it came back to that position, that same level, and again it start to move upward, but this time it moved much higher than those ones. So you can see it reached to its highest high at this point. So from this point to this point, it reached to its highest high, as you can see right here. So it means that this was a great stock only if you have invested in it and held it for this much period of time. So at different point, the stock market is not a single straight line. It moves up and down, up and down, up and down, like in this pattern. So you'll have to recognize certain areas for this purpose to recognize a great deal. Now this area, this is also a great deal. You can see right here, this is also a great deal. Stock moved upward. Now this is our support area. You can see that all of the stock at this point hit this level. Now this is a false breakout. You can see each and every stock hit above this. So whenever you want to invest in these areas, whenever you want to say that what time is a great time or what is a good deal to invest in the stock, so this is that area. You can see at this point you invest, it reached to its highest high, sell it, again it came back down, sell it, or maybe you can just buy at this point and hold it up till this point. So when to sell your stock at this point? So if you want to sell a stock at this point, when the stock performs a move like this, now let me show that to you in a second. When it performs a move like this, that is when you will have to sell your stock. At this point you will have to sell your stock, or maybe as it start to come down you will have to sell your stock. But just in this case you can see it's a false breakout, so stock is moving upward. So whenever it comes down right here and touches this trend line, confirms its position and then start to move downward, so that is when you'll have to sell your stock, because other than that just hold on to your stock and it will be for good. So those are some of the ways that you can have to recognize, you can recognize a great deal. So if you want to short your position, short at that point when it confirms its position and then move upward. So that's the same is for that. Now you can see at three different points, or 1 2 3 4 5, at 5 different points it confirms its position that this will be an uptrend. So you can see it's already an uptrend, but it confirmed its position at that point that this will be an uptrend. So as you can see, I've used support and resistance level to identify to help me identify what are the buy zones and what are the sell zones. So you'll also have to do the same. You'll have to recognize, you'll have to use support and resistance levels and stuff like that to recognize buy areas and sell areas. So that is the method of recognizing a great deal. Other than that, it's not that much of a headache. You can see our resistance level at that point matches with our support, our resistance level at this point. So you can see that this was our support level, sorry, our resistance level. This is our resistance level, and that was also our resistance level. Now let me show you. You can see right here, this is our resistance level. So what usually you can see that how much low, 2 rupees, yes. If you buy at this point 2012, and how much it rose to in 16, it rose to 20.15, so this much. Now as you've seen, that was our resistance level, and this is, so you'll have to yet again another resistance level. So that was our support level, and this is our resistance level. Now you can see it matches with our resistance level at this area, and it also confirms its position at this point that this is an uptrend. So for whatever you do in the stock market, so you'll have to use your own technical analysis, your tools to recognize great deals and great buys. So that is the method of recognizing great deals and great buys in the stock market. Now let me show you one other thing as well. This is also a method that you can use. You can see that this is also, it touches the trend line at 2 points. So whenever it touches this trend line at 2 point, invest in that area and move along the trend. Now risk management and take profits, that is a must. You will have to do that by yourself. I'm not doing that in this case. Use trailing stops or whatever you want in this case to help you clarify or boost your trading. Now what about in this case? Yet again the same method, support and resistance level, or any different methods or strategy that you are comfortable using. Now this is a side trend, so you can see that this is our support level. So I'm going to invest in this point, and as it is trading, I'm going to sell at this point. So this would be my method of trading. I'm not going to use any rocket science or stuff like that. You can see this is our resistance level. It reached to this point and start to come down. I'm going to sell my stock. You can see at different points it is trading right now. So at this point, now this is a great deal. Invest in this part, buy at this point, and sell whenever it reaches to this point. So this is the method of doing recognizing great deals. Now it is at the support level, so wait for it if it comes down, or wait for it if it shows any bullishness, and then invest in that part and move along the trend. So that is the method of investing and recognizing great deals. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.